Welcome to Amazing Hosting a coupon code discount deal. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 91% off when you buy your hosting from Hostinger through the special discount link in the description of this video. So once you click on the discount link in the description of this video, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see up to 73% off. But don't worry, I will tell you step by step on how you can claim up to 91% off with Hostinger. Make sure to click on the link in the description and use the discount coupon code as I guide you in this video. So for those who don't know, Hostinger got amazing reviews. So if you simply select the Hostinger reviews on Trustpilot, and you may be surprised to see that Hostinger got very good reviews with 48,000 people praising it at a 4.7 ratings. It's very good, and all of the reviews are 5-star reviews. And the best thing with Hostinger is that you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee, so which is an amazing thing. And even I'm using Hostinger from the last 3 to 4 years, and my experience is so far is very good. So these are the three most popular plan, and you can see that right now the discount is up to 73% off, but I'm going to make it 91% off. So for those who don't know, Hostinger got amazing AI tools, AI website builder, AI image generator. You are getting free bonus credit tools. You are getting NVMe storage, Hostinger website builder, free domain, free automatic website migration, a lot of more features. So simply select the see all features, and you may see your managed web hosting for WordPress, Hostinger website builder, amazing security features: DDoS protection, malware scanner, domain whois privacy protection, web application firewall, Cloudflare protected name server, secure access manager. So many security features are being covered with them. And Hostinger Horizon is an amazing thing. If you want to convert your idea into reality, just write the command, it's automatically going to create it into your reality. And if you are coming from another hosting company, to get this amazing 91% off with Hostinger has a website migration service, and they are going to shift all of your website, be it a single website, 100 website. They're going to shift all your website, and that too without any additional cost. And this is the control panel, also known as H panel. This is industry's finest control panel. Very easy, even a beginner or a newbie can use it without any issues or hurdle. And Hosting also has amazing fast speed plus local data centers at 24/7 support. So for security features, we already discussed above, they provide amazing security features, and right now 4 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company, and even I'm using it. And if you want to join the family with 91% off, make sure to scroll above and get any plan. I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 91% off. So let's say we're going with this plan. Simply select the choose plan with any plan. Make sure to click on the link in the description and then choose plan, and now you will be redirected to another page where I will tell you how you can get 91% off. And you may see over here that this is a special deal running right now. So Hostinger offer 4 billing periods: 1, 12, and 24 and 48 months. Now to get as much as up to 91% off, you have to offer the 48 months to save the maximum amount of money. Here you may see that when you offer the 48 months, you are getting right now you're getting free domain plus free web hosting. So add the daily backup free of cost at $100, 2 months extra free domain, free setup. Now select the have a coupon code and try this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video, along with a special discount link I created for my audience. So now you may see that your price got a further discount. So 10% from over here, and daily backups, 2 months extra, domain name, and free setup. You are going to calculate yourself, and you're going to get as much as up to 91% off with the original price at $671 plus additional cost. Now there is another coupon code as well, so you can use that as well. Now that is completely your preference on which coupon code you like to use, and you just have to simply apply this to get this amazing 91% off. Now select the continue, and you maybe move to the last part to get this amazing 91% off discount deal with Hostinger. So now you may see your order summary over here, and then you may see write your billing details over here. So once you write your billing details over here, sorry for this, simply select the continue. You may be asked to log into your Google account as well, and then because I'm already logged in, so now move over to the payment methods. Hostinger offer variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, Apple Pay, CoinGate. So you may have so many options to choose, and you can choose any as per your preference. For instance, we are going with a credit card, so write your credit card details over here and simply select the submit button, and within few minutes you are going to get an email from Hostinger with your web hosting details. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code and follow my step-by-step tutorial to get as much as up to 91% off with Hostinger. and 4 million plus people are using HostGator as a primary hosting company, and even I'm using it, and I highly recommend you to be a part of this family. So good luck with your hosting, home hosting. Good luck.